instruction sa life vest pag magbong. Mo katawa.
Naglabik.
Hi photographers! Today we will give you 5 reasons why you need to visit Canibad.
Reason number 5. Accessible. Canibad lies in the wonderful island of Samal. Crossing the island just takes 15 minutes away from the city. And once you're on the island, just take a motorcycle ride and in 30 minutes, you are in our destination.
Reason number 4. Uncongested. Yes, the whole beach is all yours, especially on weekdays. It feels like your own private resort.
Reason number 3. The pebbles. What makes Canibad unique is that their coastal line is made up of small stones or pebbles. We also have noticed that their color is not white, but shades of peach to pink.
Reason number 2. The iconic diving cliff. Your trip to Canibad won't be complete without jumping off from this cliff. Once you're on top, the majestic view of the whole island awaits you. Just look how I and my friends love it.
1, 2, 3.
Reason number 1. The sunrise. The best view of this destination comes out every early in the morning, giving you the best and magnificent view of the morning sun.
This is just 5 of the 100 reasons why you need to visit Canibad. Until next time as we give you 5 reasons why.